What's up, guys? Today on PowerNation Daily, a cyclist catches his head-on collision with a car, and it's all on tape. A boat that comes, well, with its own landing equipment of all things. A semi that gets completely demolished by a train. Also, an 1,100 horsepower Firebird drag car. So pull up a chair. This is PowerNation Daily.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by EBC Brakes. Step up from stock and get up to 30% more stopping power.
Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. If you haven't done it, be sure to do it. What am I talking about? PowerNationTV.com for all the how-to that you can handle. Now let's get to the show because we got a lot to talk about. So whether it's a bicycle or a motorcycle, if it's anything on two wheels, we got to kind of be aware of our situation and our surroundings. And this guy found out the hard way. He caught his head-on crash with a car on film. If you're gonna get hit by a car, I guess you want to catch it on film, right? Apparently the driver said that she didn't see him. Didn't know where he was at, nothing. She straight up runs him over. The good news is he walked away, he had a helmet on. The bad news is he got hit by a car. It's never fun. So for all you people out there who can't back up a trailer, this one is for you, and it's pretty much awesome. It's for the people that have trouble with boats, have trouble with cars. Heck, there are people out there that just can't back up in general. Can't parallel park, can't do anything. You shouldn't even be driving a car, but you're out there, so this is for you. Wait for it. As you can see this boat pulling up. Yes, you can see it. It has wheels on the boat. I'm not even sure how this works, and I gotta be honest, I don't even know what to even say here. There's really not much information. If you know something, let us know, but this is hilarious and it's kind of funny, and I want you to tag somebody that you know that can't drive backwards or forward, and maybe somebody who definitely can't park a boat. Tag away. So apparently watching trains is a thing, and that's how YouTube account East Alabama Rail Productions captured this accident on film. You can see the truck driver run for cover before the train demolishes his truck, and Jalopnik reports that nobody on board was hurt, which is a good thing. And we've seen it before, we'll see it again. Don't get stuck on the railroad tracks, especially if you're not sure you can get over the tracks. But, I mean, I'm glad the guy's okay. Trans Am Worldwide is known for having some pretty epic vehicles, but their latest 1,100 horsepower Firebird Super Duty just might be the best one yet. It's gonna take you back to the 80s and it's gonna do it quick. This car is a 9-second car, and it was debuted at the New York Auto Show right next to the Dodge Challenger Demon. Dun, dun, dun. And I guess they thought that the 1,000 horsepower under the hood wasn't enough to challenge the 840 horsepower Demon. So they switched to race gas and added methanol injection to bump it up to 1,100 horsepower. Other mods include a 9-inch rear end, which is always good to have when you're racing, a roll cage, and a parachute, because when you're doing 9 seconds in the quarter mile, you gotta slow down. Of course, a car like this isn't cheap. For the final version, you're looking at $190,000. That's expensive. And if I had the money, I'd probably buy it. What would you do? Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm your host, Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see. We're always listening. And be sure to stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com for all the how-to that you can handle. Have a good rest of your day. Drive fast, stay safe, and we'll see you guys down the road.